want to be? Why do you want to be a coward boy? Because Krishna gave that to you. When? Maybe last life. And at a certain time in this life, that sanskar will fructify. And you know it's real. It's your individual sanskar or previous tendency that was stored in your chitta. And you want this thing. That's called lobha. I want to serve Krishna like this. No. All the gopis are gopis. Just put on a wig and grow your hair and be a gopi. No, but I don't. This doesn't. My heart, because it's a matter of rag. Rag means your internal attraction. It doesn't mean spontaneous. You have some petrol and you throw a match. Well, what's going to happen? It's going to go boom. Spontaneous combustion. So there's nothing spontaneous at all. So there's cause and there's cause for everything. And on this plane, this is the causal plane. So there's cause. So here everything is happening by prakriti, by this prakriti or Daivi prakriti. Daivi prakriti is a transcendental mercy of Krishna.